My name is Gus Guzman, the avian expert here. Today, I am accompanied by a new videographer, Pac-Man Payne, not to be confused with Donkey Thong.
What?
Donkey Thong. Unfortunately, my good friend Joe passed away in his sleep late last night.
What? Joe's with his family.
Family. That's beautiful. You know, I used to have a family myself, but they left me because all I do is look at birds. So my family left my ass.
Goddamn.
Many of you know I'm recovering from the bird flu, aka the avian virus. As you can see, I am beating the disease. The reason why I'm beating the disease is because in the cuck duck is a rare form of blood that cures shit.
What are you... Why are you doing this in front of a dumpster?
The cuck duck, not to be confused with the cuckold fuck, which is what me and my wife used to do in our final days. The cuckold is something that she never told me about. I had no idea why she was having sex with bigger men in front of me. Later, I went on to Urban Dictionary and realized I have been cuckolded many times.
How are you surviving right now?
My family told me I put them through a lot, but I could never afford anything to put them through.
It's fucking crazy, bro.
I can see a gallbladder gonzo! I can taste the presence of a hamburger helper hawk! This is the branch of a cane sugar cockatoo. Fuck!
Quick question, how did you get your ex-wife to marry you in the first place?
My ex-wife and I met at the University of Oregon. I didn't attend school there. However, I was staring at a pigeon in front of the cafeteria. In that moment, I convinced my wife that bird watching was a hobby of mine on the side. However, there was nothing being done on the other side. I just bird watch. We are in the territory of a Samsung swan. Fuck! I can smell the urine of an R. Kelly crane.
Why is bird watching important to you when it doesn't pay off?
I get paid with images of birds in my brain. What a blessing.
So you get paid?
No, my family left me for a good reason. I have a visual on a fatherless flamingo. I can see the droppings of a big dick buzzard. I love a good big dick buzzard. Unfortunately, it's been 23 hours since I found my last cuck duck. Therefore, I might not make it in time to keep my body alive. My family would be very excited to see me like this. My motor skills are shutting down, and I can feel it.
Oh.
My modern medical medicine miracle is coming to an end. I don't think I'm going to remain the cover boy for miracles in modern medicine. You're just pointing a camera at me and not helping.
What do I do?
I have the fucking bird flu. Figure it the fuck out.
There's no service. Oh, fuck. Yo,